Oh, girl. They starting to border a little bit. Hold up. Hey guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, guys, you already read the title. Yes, folks, I'm gonna be trying onion juice on my hair.
Boy, if you don't get...
Now, honestly, I almost did not try this because when I first came across this hair treatment, I thought to myself, this is weird. It sounds disgusting as hell. And who in their right mind would want to put onion in their hair? Who want to smell like onions? I thought to myself, this is not for me. And these hair growth treatments are going a little too far. They taking it a little too far for your girl. But despite the fact of it sounding disgusting, I heard that onion juice actually could serve a lot of great benefits to the hair. I did a little bit of research, so this is gonna be my first time, guys, trying onion juice on my natural hair. So I just wanted to record my experience with you guys. You guys are gonna see my reaction, and I'm just gonna share my results with you and what I thought of the overall treatment from start to finish. So if you wanna see how this goes, keep on watching. And if this is your first time seeing my face or stumbling across my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys stick around by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified each and every time I drop a new video. So enough with the intro, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so the recipe to this is super easy. All you literally need is your red onion and a knife. And I'm first gonna start off by cutting my red onion into pieces because we're gonna blend this up later. And I'm also going to remove the skin off of my red onions. I honestly did not do any research prior to see if the skin actually serve any benefits to the hair, but just off my personal preference, I'm just gonna remove the skin. So now I'm gonna take my red onions and throw it into my blender cup, and I'm just gonna further cut it into smaller pieces just to make sure that I have a smoother blend and so that I don't end up with chunky pieces afterwards. So next, before you blend your onion, you just want to add a little bit of water. I'm just going to fill my blender cup about halfway through. That should be enough water for my onion juice. And that's pretty much all we need. I'm just going to blend this baby up for about 15 to 20 seconds. So now that I got my onion all blended up, I'm now going to proceed to strain this. You first want to grab your glass bowl. So to strain this, I'm actually going to use my wig cap. That's the closest thing that I could find laying around the house. But whatever you decide to use, whether it be a cheesecloth, wig cap, stocking, an actual strainer, anything would do. So once I've placed my wig cap around my glass bowl, I'm going to slowly pour my onion in and just strain this baby. I want to get rid of any chunky pieces that are remaining, and I only want the onion juice. And once you're done straining your juice, it should look something like this. It should be very watery. It should not be pasty or chunky at all. Now, this part is optional, but I'm just going to add in a few essential oils to get rid of that strong onion smell. So I'm first gonna apply my lemon oil. Now, as you all know, lemon oil has a really strong and potent citrus scent to it, which is awesome for cutting that nasty onion smell. So I'm only applying about 15 to 20 drops, and I'm also going to apply my peppermint oil. This is also going to work well to stimulate the scalp to promote hair growth. So why not add that in? And after that, I'm also going to throw in my lavender oil. I'm adding about 15 to 20 drops of all of the oils. And lastly, I had a sample size bottle of jojoba oil, so I'm just adding in a couple of drops of that. But if you have any other oil laying around the house, such as olive oil or coconut oil, you could also add that in as well. And that is pretty much it, guys, for the recipe. Now to finish off, I'm just going to transfer my onion juice into this spray bottle. So this is how much onion juice I have after transferring it into the spray bottle. And I think this should be more than enough for my hair. All right, y'all, so I have my onion juice right here. I made this the night before, and I also took my wig out and undid my braids, as y'all can see. I didn't detangle my hair yet, but what I'm gonna do first, before I apply my onion juice, I'm gonna section off my hair into 4 quadrants. I think it's gonna make it a little bit easier for me to apply my onion juice. And I also plan on detangling my hair as well prior to stepping into the shower. All right, so that was that. Now, I could already imagine this is gonna get pretty messy. So I have this old raggedy t-shirt on, and I'm also gonna put this towel around. I probably should have done this in the shower, but oh hell. I also have some gloves, guys, because listen, I am not playing. I'm not trying to smell like onion juice. I'm not trying to have my nails and my fingers smelling like onions. So I got some gloves here. I'm gonna throw this on. All right, we are ready. So let's go ahead and do the back section. All right, y'all, so here goes nothing. All right. All right, so right off the bat, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, the smell is very, very strong and potent. It smelled like straight up onions. Despite the fact that I applied some essential oils, as y'all saw earlier, it did help, I guess, but yeah, you could still smell the onions. That smell is still very strong and very potent. So if you're not the biggest fan of onions and you do not like the smell, if that smell just turns you off, then I don't know if you're going to like this very much. All right, so I think I have a good amount sprayed on this first section. I'm just gonna gently massage the onion juice into my scalp. So this is what the first section is looking like. My hair, it feels quite nice. It does not feel hard or anything like that. My hair is not acting funny. It actually feels a bit soft. Like, this is what my hair feels like when I apply aloe vera juice. Like, it's really softening up my curls, which is quite a surprise. I don't know, I was expecting it to feel like how my hair would feel when I apply rice water, like a little bit hard at first, like similar to a protein treatment. That's honestly what I was expecting, but yeah, my hair feels quite nice. So before I put this section up, I'm just gonna take my Y2 comb and just gently detangle the section. Like I said, I did not detangle my hair prior to doing this, so I just wanna lightly detangle the hair before I step in the shower and wash this off. Wow, this onion juice is really making my hair feel soft. Wow, it's making it quite easy to detangle my hair. Wow, that's a surprise. I was not expecting my hair to feel like this. All right, so this section is all done. And now we're gonna move to this front section. All right, now that I'm doing the front section of my hair, I could like really smell the onion juice. Ooh, it is strong. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, that's some strong stuff. I don't know if I'm tripping or is this really happening, but I feel like my eyes are kind of starting to water a little bit. Like they're starting to burn a little bit. Am I tripping? But oh girl, they starting to water a little bit. Hold up.
My eyes! My eyes!
Ooh. That's another thing, guys, that you could expect when you spraying this onto your hair. This could make your eyes water a little bit. You know, it's similar to when you're cutting onions in the kitchen, how your eyes just water up. It's not as bad, but I do kind of feel it a little bit. Guys, I will highly recommend if you do this to do this in the shower, because now that I'm on camera and I'm doing this for you guys, I am starting to regret not doing it in the shower because this is getting messy. It's like dripping all over my arm. So let me go ahead and speed this thing up. Just sit back and watch me apply this onion juice. All right, y'all. So as I'm applying this onto my hair, I just want to briefly talk to you guys about the science of onion juice. So apparently onion is packed and loaded with a lot of great nutrients and chemicals that are beneficial to the hair and hair follicles. And one of those key nutrients that are packed in onions is sulfur. So based off the videos and little research that I've done online, sulfur acts as an antifungal and antibacterial stimulant to the hair. Meaning if your scalp and hair follicles are loaded with bacteria, this could actually cause dandruff, eczema, and it could also slow down the rate of your hair growth. So using onion juice in the hair could actually help to give you that deep cleanse that you need to get rid of all the bacteria on your hair. So if you're suffering from dandruff, dry scalp, or if your hair is just growing at a slow rate, apparently onion juice could help to rectify all of that. But with most of these natural hair growth treatments, it's not a one-time cure. In order to see results, you most definitely would have to use this more on a consistent basis so you could see effective results on the hair. In addition to that, onion juice also helps to stimulate the scalp and increase blood flow to promote hair growth. All right, y'all, so I am all done applying my onion juice. I only have a little bit left over. I think I'm just gonna spray the rest in the shower once I get in there. It's so little left that it doesn't make sense for me to save it in the fridge. But if you have a little bit more than this left over, I'm guessing you can store it in the fridge. I just wouldn't recommend that you store it for too long. So probably store it for about 2 to 3 days. I wouldn't recommend no more than that because maybe bacteria and all that nasty stuff might grow. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes and just give my hair some time to absorb that onion juice. And then after that, I'm gonna hop into the shower and rinse this off. I am feeling really sticky and nasty and I'm smelling like onions, and yeah, I just want to rinse this off and I will get back to you guys once I'm in the shower. All right, y'all, so it's been about 30 minutes and it is finally time for me to rinse this off. Thank you, Jesus. So at this point, after removing the cap, my hair felt really soft, guys. I'm really surprised at how soft my hair feels. And also my scalp felt really soothed. It did not feel dry or itchy at all. I haven't washed my hair for about 3 weeks, so my hair was feeling very dry and itchy. But after applying this onion juice, I did notice that I no longer felt that dry and itchy scalp feeling. And yeah, my scalp felt really good. So that's one of the key things that I noticed. So as y'all already know, of course, I'm going to wash my hair with my faithful combo, starting off with my L'Oreal Essentials African Black Soap Hair Cleanser. I'm going to use this to thoroughly wash my hair, guys. For those of you who may not know, African Black Soap is also an antibacterial and antifungal. So in combination with the onion juice, this is really going to help to give that extra boost to remove any bacteria along the hair follicles and also further stimulate the scalp to increase blood flow, which indeed will promote hair growth. So when washing the onion juice out, I would highly recommend that you give the hair 2 rounds. That's what I normally do on a typical day, but for this specific treatment, I don't think 1 round is going to be enough. I would highly suggest that you wash the hair twice to make sure you don't have any remaining residue left, and also so you're not smelling like a bag of onions. All right, so after washing both sections of the hair, of course, I'm going to follow up now with my Kaolin Clay and Honey hair conditioner, and I'm going to apply this all over the hair so I could further soften up my curls and further detangle the hair. These products are also available on Amazon, so I'm going to leave the link to everything that I use down below. Guys, despite the nasty smell from onion juice, I can't even lie, it made my hair feel really soft. As I'm detangling the hair with the conditioner, my hair felt more soft than usual. It was just so easy for that Tangle Teaser to glide along my hair. I guess I gotta give credit where it's due and hand it to the onion juice. So of course, before I step out the shower, I want to assure that my hair is well moisturized. So I'm first going to apply my Cantu leave-in conditioner and apply that on the sections of my hair. And to seal and lock that moisture in, I'm going to follow up with my Mayel Mint Almond Oil. And that is all, guys. Like, just look at how juicy that twist look. My hair and scalp really felt great. I think I will consider doing this again. The only thing that really bothered me was the smell. So after you're done washing your hair, guys, make sure that you scrub your behind, okay? Get you a good body wash and a loofah and scrub your body down from head to toe. But other than that, guys, my hair, like I said, felt really good. So I think I would consider trying it again. Like I mentioned earlier, you have to stay consistent with it in order to see effective results. So I'm definitely gonna continue doing this behind the scenes, and I'll just document my results. And of course, I will share them along the way with y'all. All right, y'all, so that was all for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this. I finally tried out onion juice, y'all. I showed you guys everything from start to finish. And I really hope that you all found this helpful. So if you did, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thumbs up this video. And as always, I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.